Good evening, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader short video. And today, I want to take a look at something that Peter put out on his previous video about stocks that are overbought, could come back in, but I've got one that might interest you quite a bit. CMG, Charlie Mike Golf, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Expensive stock, anywhere from $2,900 to $3,000 per share. Expensive. Yet they have announced a 50-for-1 stock split coming up early part of June. So here is my trade for you to use as the ability to get 100 shares of Chipotle after the split and use it for an option play. I'm looking to do a limit buy on 2 shares. So remember, 2 times 50 gives me 100 shares net. But I'm looking for this buy to be near the 21 exponential moving average. Right now, that's around 28.38 to 28.45. We're above that at this point in time. We're at 2,900. So we're about 50 to 60 points away. I will let this sit there for the rest of the week as a good till cancel order, and then reevaluate where that 21 EMA is on a week-by-week basis. So once again, limit order, buy 2 shares, Charlie Mike Golf at the 21 EMA, approximately 28, let's say 45, 28.45. Let that go until the end of the week. Reevaluate for potential for next week. Ultimate goal, acquiring 100 shares after the split, selling options against this restaurant stock. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillum from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.